Hello everyone, welcome to Soulful Cooking. This is your host and chef Kranti Talwar. In today's episode, we are going to cook a very quick and easy fix shrimp curry in a coconut and tomato sauce. This almost resembles to that of the Kerala coconut curry, but with just a few changes with the spices. Now, talking about the benefits of shrimp, shrimp is known to aid in your good muscle health, your bone health. It is rich in antioxidants and hence it keeps a lot of diseases away like heart disorders. It regulates your blood pressure, it keeps cancers away. And although it is very high in cholesterol level, it does not rise the cholesterol of your blood because of its high content of omega-3 fatty acids. And hence it's one of the great choices for people who are looking for lean protein addition so that your weight remains in control. But at the same time, it should be eaten in the right quantities. Don't overdo it because of the cholesterol level. Knowing the benefits of shrimp and knowing how easy it is to cook this dish, I'm sure you'll definitely give it a shot once. So without any further ado, let's get cooking. For this we need 5 sprigs of curry leaves chopped, 1 large onion roughly chopped, 3 medium-sized tomatoes roughly chopped, 1 inch ginger, 12 garlic pods, 8 to 10 cashew nuts and 5 green chilies. 250 grams of de-shelled and de-veined prawns, 2 teaspoons each of Kashmiri red chili powder and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and salt to taste, 100 milliliters of coconut milk and 2 teaspoons of oil of your choice. Grind together onions, cinnamon, cloves, ginger, garlic and green chilies into a fine paste. Add only 2 teaspoons of oil in a heated pressure cooker. Once oil gets heated, add some mustard seeds, let them crackle, and then add chopped curry leaves. The whole idea of chopping curry leaves is so that we can eat them, otherwise we just discard them. They are very rich in nutrients. Now add some red chili powder and some turmeric. Saute this well. Now add the ground paste of onions, ginger, garlic, green chilies and cloves and cinnamon. Saute this well. Add some coriander powder. Mix it well and place the cooker lid on top without actually locking it and let the onions cook for about a minute. Now ground your cashew nuts into a fine paste. Then add tomatoes in the same grinder and grind them together into a fine paste. Add this paste to the cooked onions and saute this well for a minute. Add some salt to taste. Mix well. Now add 1 cup of water. Don't add too much water at this moment. Cover and cook this for 2 whistles. Once the pressure is released from the cooker, open it and add some garam masala to this. Now add in 100 milliliters of coconut milk. I am using the canned version, but you can extract some from the fresh coconut as well. Now add the de-veined and de-shelled prawns and let them cook for only 2 to 3 minutes. Only in case of jumbo prawns, you might need about 6 to 7 minutes. Overcooking shrimp makes them tough, rubbery and chewy. Now add just little bit of water based on the consistency desired, but do not make it too watery or else the flavor gets lost. Never overcook a shrimp. It takes only 2 to 3 minutes to cook any shrimp and you come to know about it when you see the even red texture on its flesh all over. Serve this with some hot steamed rice. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now and kindly hit the like button if you like this video.